हेलो एवरीवन, मैं प्रज्ञा पांडे और इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे अल्डोल कंडेंसेशन। अल्डोल कंडेंसेशन ये ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री की बहुत ही फेमस और इजी रिएक्शन है। अल्डोल कंडेंसेशन ये रिएक्शन होती है कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड्स के बीच में। ऐसे कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड्स जिसमें अल्फा हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट होता है। कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड से अल्डिहाइड हो सकते हैं, कीटोन हो सकते हैं। ये रिएक्शन बिटवीन द अल्डिहाइड हो सकती है और बिटवीन द कीटोन हो सकती है और अल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन के बीच में भी हो सकती है। कंडीशन ये है कि अल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन में अल्फा हाइड्रोजन का प्रेजेंस होना चाहिए। ये रिएक्शन डाइल्यूट NaOH, BaOH टेकन ट्वाइस एंड Na2CO3 इनमें से कोई भी रिएजेंट के प्रेजेंट में होती है। द कंडीशन इज द बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट। ओके, देन इस रिएक्शन में इंटरमीडिएट बनता है एल्डोल। एल्डोल मीन्स बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन। ये इंटरमीडिएट बनता है और इसमें से वाटर लॉस होके देन अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन बनता है। ये बेसिक रिएक्शन है अल्डोल कंडेंसेशन की। टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस रिएक्शन लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल। हमने एसिटल्डिहाइड लिया है। एसिटल्डिहाइड में कार्बोनिल कार्बन भी है, अल्फा हाइड्रोजन भी है। इनकी रिएक्शन कैसे होगी? ये जो कार्बोनिल कार्बन है ये इस अल्फा हाइड्रोजन के कार्बन से अटैच्ड हो जाएगा। सी हियर दिस कार्बोनिल कार्बन अटैच्ड विद दिस कार्बन हैविंग अल्फा हाइड्रोजन। ओके, एंड this oxygen and hydrogen is here, and this OH with this alpha hydrogen, one water molecule loss and a double bond is formed here due to loss of water molecule, and we have alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Okay, in this reaction we take acetaldehyde, both molecule are same. Okay, this is self-aldol condensation reaction because the reacting molecule is the same. This is self-aldol condensation. If we take both this different, then it will be cross-aldol condensation. See, this is cross-aldol condensation. In this we take acetone and acetaldehyde. Okay, in this the carbonyl carbon is of acetone and alpha hydrogen is from the acetaldehyde. This carbonyl carbon attached with this alpha hydrogen containing carbon. Okay, here we have this beta hydroxyaldehyde compound form, and after this a water molecule is lost and then alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde is formed. This is cross aldol reaction. There is possibility of 4 product formation. See how this reaction takes place in case of cross aldol. Here there might be chances that the carbonyl carbon of acetaldehyde reacts with the carbon of acetone containing alpha hydrogen. Okay, in this the product is different. There might be possibility that 2 molecules of acetaldehyde react with each other and the product form is also different in this case. And one more possibility is that the 2 molecules of acetone reacts with each other and this product is formed. In all these cases, cross aldol condensation, there is possibility of 4 product formation. Let's see the mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. See, we have this acetaldehyde molecule. Okay, this is carbonyl carbon. It is having oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative. It takes these electrons. Okay, carbon become positively charged. Okay, to stabilize this hydrogen bond, carbon hydrogen bond break. Okay, this electron move here. Okay, see here double bond is formed. We use the basic condition here, that is NaOH. ONA, this is a nucleophile and this react with this H plus and NaOH is given out. Okay, and see here this double bond formed due to transfer of this, right? In next step what happened, this oxygen O minus, again this electron comes here and then this bond break and electron come here. Okay, this is a conjugation basically. So the negative charge come on this carbon, and here is doubly bonded oxygen. So this is enolate ion formation, which is a nucleophile of that aldol condensation reaction, and this nucleophile then attacks on the other molecule of the acetaldehyde. See here, this is other molecule of acetaldehyde present in the solution. So again, carbonyl carbon, oxygen is more electronegative, it takes this electrons, okay, and then it becomes positively charged. This enolate ion, which is the nucleophile of this reaction, okay, it attacks here, and see the attachment of this. This is a carbonyl carbon, and this is carbon containing alpha hydrogen, and the bond is formed between this. And after this, loss of water molecule takes place from this, and we have the product, that is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. If we use ketone, the product will be alpha beta unsaturated ketone, and the aldol which is formed intermediate is beta hydroxy aldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. So this is the aldol condensation reaction. Here product form is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde and ketone, and the intermediate is the aldol, that is beta hydroxyaldehyde or ketone, and that's why this reaction is aldol condensation reaction. And the reaction takes place in the presence of this basic condition, dilute NaOH, barium hydroxide, Na2CO3, and after the intermediate formation, water loss takes place, and there is formation of alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone.